Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video I'm going to start my training with Radley on agility weaving poles. Radley is my almost year-old now. He's a little over 11-month-old Aussie Doodle. Good boy, here you go. If you follow this channel, you've seen some videos throughout the last 8 months on him. And the goal is to let him be a trail dog. He's my running partner. And just recently we started up agility training, and I think he's going to do really great. He's having a lot of fun exploring that kind of physical activity. He likes to work. He likes to have a job. So when I can teach him things that he can do and get rewarded for it, he loves it. And then eventually he doesn't even care about the reward. He just enjoys doing things. You want to go over that? Good boy. Off. Good boy. Ready? Over. Yes. Good boy. Hit it. Good boy. So agility training is one of the things I'm working on. I have set up some DIY poles here, and this first video is going to be his exposure to these poles. Now, there are lots of agility pole options out there. There's commercial ones, there's DIY ones. I've seen a lot of the PVC pipe DIY stuff where you build stands and things. I came up with something a little bit different that I thought I would share with you, and it seems to be working out really well. So as you can see here, I just had some scrap 3/4 inch PVC. I'm gonna pull this off of here. And these are like snow markers. They're just little fiberglass rods that you stick in the ground. Got them at a Home Depot. You can get them at Lowe's. I use those to sort of hold the PVC pipe, which is a little bit more of a visual barrier for the dog. I tried it first with just the poles. I don't think it was quite as easy for him to see and recognize. He just sort of trampled all through them. But when I added the PVC poles, it really seemed to make a difference. So these are spaced 2 feet apart, which is the standard sort of spacing. And you know, I had some spare PVC pipe, but I only had a couple of short ones for the end, but it seems to work okay. These are, what are these? Maybe 3-foot sections. I don't even know. Doesn't really matter. I just had them in the garage and they're working out great. So when he's trained, these will all be in a straight line. But for now, for teaching him to do the process, the common method is to sort of stagger them and build like a channel for him to run through. So he gets used to going through the poles. So yeah, this is the first video, and you can see how he's doing day one. And I'll keep you up to date as we continue to progress with agility weaving. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Weave. Stop jumping. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Weave. Weave. Yes, good. Good boy. Weave. Yes. Good. Yes. Good boy. Stay. Okay, weave. Good boy. Okay, weave. Weave. Nope. Nope. Rather weave. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Here you go. Good boy. Here's Mama.
Hey, Boogie, what are you doing? Let me see that again.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Okay, weave. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good boy.
Does he just run straight through? Or does he have
Weave. Good. Eventually, they'll be in a single line and he'll have to go around. But the first goal is getting him to just go, to recognize he has to go through the tunnel, basically. Come here. Weave. Nope. See, he went on the side of it. Come on. Weave. 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 Come on, weave. Good boy. Good boy. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching Radley go through these poles. I think he's going to do really well, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.